Introducing this innovative tool, portable Cyclone-powered conduit bender for bending conduit. Uses a standard pipe threader as a power source, making it versatile and quick to set up with a common job site tool. It is compatible with most pipe threaders and is easy to carry around on a job site, weighing just 35 pounds. Bend 1/2 inch to 1 inch electrical metallic tubing in rigid conduit and reduce the risk of injury by removing the need to bend larger sizes of conduit using a hand bender or heavy equipment. Make work more efficient by saving time on the job site. Performing precise bends with repeatability has never been this quick and easy. Introducing our innovative pipe and cable cutter, designed for safety and efficiency, can cut corrugated pipes from 13 to 32 millimeters. Its unique blade arrangement ensures protection against injuries, while affording the safe and precise cutting of corrugated pipes to the required length. It ensures optimal safety throughout the process. With no risk of damage to internal cables or pipes, it offers peace of mind during every use. Plus, experience the convenience and security offered by our pipe and cable cutter today, featuring a practical wire stripping function with fast insertion aided by location ridges, and stripping blades that accommodate cross-sections wire from 0.2 to 4.0 square millimeters. Our cable sealing solution is your answer to versatile and efficient installations. Perfect for sealing penetrations for both single cables and cable bundles, it excels in accommodating small to medium-sized circular openings in walls and ceilings. Whether on drywall, concrete, masonry, or sandwich panels, it delivers reliable performance. Designed specifically for environments where cable configurations frequently change, such as data centers, server rooms, hospitals, or production plants, it ensures seamless adaptability. With easy installation and inspection, it guarantees optimum airflow control and convenience without compromising on quality. Plus, it supports conduits up to 63 millimeters, providing ease of use for various applications. Introducing the hydraulic crimper NP520 from NICHIFU, a powerful tool engineered to handle clamp connectors and compression terminals with ease, ensuring secure and reliable connections every time. Simply crimp until the tool automatically stops, then press the down button to release, ensuring secure and reliable connections every time. With a versatile crimp ranges from 14 to 500 millimeters for compression terminals and an extensive selection covering a diverse range of cable sizes and types. The number of compressions needed to meet JIS standards varies depending on the size of the wire, ensuring accurate compliance. Whether you're working with small connectors or larger terminals, this crimper delivers consistent results. Introducing the SmartBox Shark Tooth Fixture Box, pioneering innovation with its revolutionary built-in hole saw. Say goodbye to guesswork as the proprietary hole saw guarantees a perfectly sized hole every time. Using your cordless drill, align the pilot guide pin and drill, angling the box 5 to 7 degrees. Our patented integrated hole saw effortlessly completes the task. Once done, discard the hole saw blade. Thread your wire through the built-in non-metallic wire clamps and insert the fixture box into the hole. Secure it by tightening the 3 swing clamps onto the drywall. Upgrade your electrical projects with the SmartBox Shark Tooth today. If you like my video, please support my channel by clicking the like button and also subscribing. To stay updated with my new videos, click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.